Well, hello guys, it's the chef doctor again, and today we are going to make something totally different. We're not going to make a meal today, but we're going to make a snack or a dessert, something that you can just eat whenever you get a bit hungry and you don't want to eat a meal. So it's called plantain buns, and it's going to be an interesting one. So without further ado, join me in the kitchen as we prepare this delicious snack. To prepare this snack, you're going to need your plantain. You're going to need some vegetable oil for frying, some pepper to give it some zip. You'll need your yeast to make it rise. You're going to need vanilla extract to give it some flavor. You'll need salt. You'll need sugar to make it sweet. And then you're also going to need flour to make your dough. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to have to peel your plantain. And it's advisable to use overripe plantain. This will make it easy for you to mash the plantain and for it to also mix into your dough. So you just peel the plantain there and then chopped it into tiny bits before you began mashing it. So to mash this in, I use the fork, but you can actually use anything that is convenient for you. The most important thing is for you to mash this until it gets a very smooth consistency without lumps, any sort of lumps in it. This might take anytime between 3 to 5 minutes, and you need to exert some pressure on the plantain. You can also use more plantain if you please. I used one. You can use as many as you'd like. So the consistency of the plantain is beginning to get smoother and smoother. And yeah, it was smoother this time, so we just set it aside. The next thing is we make our mixture with some flour. Put in the flour, put in about a tablespoon and a half of yeast, put in half tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then we give it a good mix. Mixed it in properly, and then the mashed plantain goes inside, and then we also give this a good mix to form our dough. You also went in with some warm water, just a bit, and you're trying to mix this in properly, but you also want to make sure that the dough does not get firm. You want it to be a bit watery, so when it goes into the oil, it can fry properly. At this point, it was becoming a bit too loose, so we went in with some flour to make it a bit firmer. Put in a cup of our vanilla extract to flavor it and give it a very good mix. It was looking good and ready to be fried. Yes, that is the consistency that I should aim for. It should almost be like akara. So we covered it up and then we set it aside for about an hour. That's us setting our timer for 1 hour. 10, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are ready. It had risen a little. We went in with some of our pepper, gave it another mix. Oops, that was my assistant in the kitchen. Make sure that the pepper is mixed evenly around, and it's now time to fry. To fry, it's advisable to deep fry. So we went in with 2 cups or 2 measures of vegetable oil. While frying, you want to make sure that the there's enough space to allow what you put in fry adequately. Also, you need to take care that the oil is not too hot because this cooks rather quickly and it can get burnt pretty quickly. So you need to check quickly and then remove those that you fried. As you can see, the initial ones you put were already getting burnt. So and this was the result, the plantain buns. Very beautiful looking, very delicious. I advise you to try it. Thanks for watching.